Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. We are decorating my Kindle for Christmas today and I am very excited. I have gathered some of my kind of Christmassy paper and stickers. So we're going to decorate my Kindle case. We're also going to create this cute little Kindle lock screen so that when I turn my Kindle off, I'll have something a little bit seasonal and cute. So if you want to find out how to do a Kindle lock screen and you want to watch me decorate my Kindle, then just keep watching. So we just finished decorating my Kindle. Now we are going to give my Kindle lock screen a little love. Generally, I do like to just put the book covers of what I'm reading on my Kindle, but every once in a while I like to mix it up a little bit, and this is the perfect time for Christmas season. I'm gonna show you how to quickly design your own Kindle lock screen. Now keep in mind that you do have to have this image open on your Kindle to kind of trick it into thinking that it's a book with a cover. So there's a couple steps that we have to do, but honestly it takes like 5 minutes. We are gonna hop on my laptop right now. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first thing you wanna do is open up Canva or whatever your design platform of choice is. If you use something else, I have to use Canva. It's just so easy. It's what I love. I do pay for the pro membership. So this is a lock screen that I have created previously. I did resize this. I don't think that it made any difference, to be honest. So I'm just gonna put it back to the size that it originally was. So this is the size that I have. This is just what I found online. I'm not sure if this is 100% the best size for this, but this is for the Kindle Paperwhite, which is what I have. I would just do a quick Google. A lot of people do things like this. And generally something in this range, I have 1080 by 1440. And something also to keep in mind is that you can do either a black background or a white, but if you do the white background, it's not gonna be crisp white for one, and it's also gonna be these two kind of bars on the side. I have tried everything to try and get rid of that. Nothing really worked. So I kind of prefer the black background because it just makes it look seamless. But if you do want a white background, you can do that. Keep in mind, if you are on a Kindle Color Soft, I have no idea if this works. I would assume that it would, that you can take the same process and you could do color. But for us, we have a Paperwhite. So I'm just gonna make something really simple. So I'm just gonna do a quick little text. You're gonna do "'Tis the Damn Season." This is a Taylor Swift reference slash quote if you weren't aware. It's just how I'm feeling. It's just what I want. I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry about it. Okay, I kind of like this one. It just also is aptly named the Seasons font in Canva. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna bold it because the Paperwhite is a little bit of a lower contrast device. So I am just gonna do that. And you can get as, you know, intricate with this design as you want. I'm just gonna do a little Christmas graphic. And I really just want like a Christmas tree. But this one is very cute. It's like little ornaments. And I'm just gonna make this like go across, I think. No, let's just make it go under the text. We're gonna center it. And I actually am going to, like I mentioned, invert the colors on this. I think that's cute. That's what we're gonna go with. First step of this is I'm going to download this as a PNG, and I'm just gonna do the current page that I'm on. Once that is downloaded, we are going to go to convertio.co, and I am going to upload the file that I just created. And we're gonna convert this to an EPUB document. So you have to convert first, and then you'll want to download this once it's done. Then the next step is actually using another online converter and creating an actual EPUB file that has a book cover designated on it. So the Kindle software can recognize what the cover is so it can display it on your Kindle. We're gonna choose the EPUB file that I just created. For the image, choose the PNG. This part is very important. So you have one EPUB, one PNG, but they're essentially the same image. It's what we just created. And this is where I tried to do the fill for the imagery size to see if it would like change the whole background. It didn't really make a difference. I'm gonna do it anyway just because I don't want it to create a white background. So then we're just gonna convert. This might take a couple minutes. Okay, just click download now. I forgot to have this open, but this is the final step for how you're gonna get it onto your Kindle. This is just what I like to use. It's the easiest way. There's also an email you can use. If you go into your Kindle settings, there's a send to Kindle email. You can email this to yourself and do it that way. I just find this to be very easy because it's already on my computer. We are just going to grab the EPUB that we just made with the cover, send it to the Kindle by just dragging and dropping it onto this page. You go send, and it will send it right to your device. That's all you have to do. It'll pop up on your Kindle. I will show you how that happens here in a second. Okay, this should work. There we go. Don't mind how grubby my Kindle is. I slather my hands in Aquaphor when I go to sleep and read my Kindle. So if you turn the Kindle off, hello Hans, you can see it right there. So there is your custom Kindle lock screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed decorating my Kindle with me today for this Vlogmas video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna be doing a lot more Kindle stuff on the channel, and I will see you in the next video.